Once we have ingested the document in a collection, the next step is to test the search functionality inside that collection. We will use the agent multi-documents queue evaluation, where we have a set of questions that have already been curated by humans, meaning that the documents have been read by a human and questions have been formulated, and we have the ground truth for those questions. We select the collection, which is NVIDIA blocks Llama, and the vision model we want to use, which in this case is going to be an NVIDIA NIM with a Llama 3.290 billions. And we select a question. For instance, we will select this question. We run the Q agent and we wait for the answer to be formulated. This is the answer that has been formulated. So it says 3 times the performance of the A100, which is more or less the same thing that the human was saying. The model has been able to look into the image. It has found the part of the charts where the birth histograms are, and then it has understood the legend. So H100 V30, which is what we were asking in the question, is the darker green, and then the A100 is the gray, and it has done the ratio between the two. What happens here in the backend is that the model searched for the best document given the question. Once the document has been found, it tries to find the answer in the document. If it thinks that the answer is in an image, it will ask the question again to the vision model inside that image. So it's quite accurate, and there is an agent that is doing all of this. The models that we use is a text model for the text answer, which is Llama 3.370 billion or Mistral small 24 billions, and the vision model is the Llama 3.290 billion, all powered by NVIDIA NIMs.